Yo, this is Donald B, and I'm going to do this a little bit different today. I want to ask some questions. I want to find out what questions that people do have about their business, especially realtors. This is more focused on realtors. What is it you're trying to do, what you're trying to accomplish with your business when it comes to social media? So here's what I want to ask you, but before I can do that, as always, I want you guys to go ahead and like, subscribe, leave comments down below. What are things you're struggling with when it comes to social media? But at the same time, you can answer these questions, but also list some more questions you may have. Because what I want to do is create a whole series about how to grow your business, how to answer any question you have about social media. Because I know a lot of you struggle with it. I know a lot of you need help. So I'm here to help you, but you just gotta give me the question that you need answered. And if you can do that, I'll do my best to answer all the questions you guys have down below and create a video for it. Also, the questions that I leave on this video as well, I'm going to try my best to answer those questions as well too. But I will answer your guys' questions first when it comes to the videos. I'm not going to keep this video long, but there's 10 questions. I see there's 10 most common questions that people do ask about social media or how to use their social media platform to grow their business. One of the most common questions is, which social media platform should I use to promote my business? That is a very common question, and I've always found that pretty interesting why people ask that question. But I've always answered, what do you feel is best for you to use? What do you enjoy using? Because people are successful on all the platforms. Okay, again, I'm not leaving this to answer questions. I'm just going to list them in 10 questions, and then I want to get some feedback from you all on what you think. One of the other questions is, how often should I post on social media to get the best results? Like, how often should I post a video? How often should I post content? Anything like that. Those are some of the most common questions. What type of content should I post on social media to get the best performance? So a lot of us question, what should we be posting? And that's a very good question. And like I said, I will answer these questions in another video, but I just want to list the 10 most common questions because I want you guys to be aware. I'm looking out for you guys, and I want to do my best to make sure I answer your questions. Another great one is, how can I increase my engagement on my platform? Yeah, that's a fair question. How do you increase it? How do I get people to start talking back with me? How do I get people to respond, comment, anything like that? That's a really good question. Like I said, we will get into that. What are some really effective social media marketing strategies to help my business grow? Okay, that's a fair question. And then that's one of those questions I will definitely get into. Should I also invest in paid advertisements to help my business as well? Should I be using ads? What can I do? Instagram has ads, Facebook has ads, TikTok has ads. What can I do to help myself grow with the ads out there? Should I invest in it? Should I not? Should I do everything for free? What can I do? And here's a big one. How can I use social media to generate leads and also to convert them into clients? Because that's, of course, is most important. You can have 300 some odd leads, but you really want those clients. Do you want those to turn into clients? So you want to generate those leads. That's something we'll definitely get into. I even have this thing that I'm creating that help you get leads as well too. How can I measure the success of my social media marketing? How do I know it's actually effective? How do I know it's actually working for me? There's another great question. How can I stay up to date with the latest trends and the algorithm changes? That's a good question. And I might have said it correctly, but I said algorithm. How do I stay up to date with the algorithm changes? All the trends is out there. These are good questions, and we will go into other videos. There's a lot of good stuff to go into, and especially if you guys put questions down below, I will answer those as well. But this is great. We're going to start somewhere. We're going to start with something fresh. Last but not least, how can I increase my brand image on all the platforms? How can I stay consistent? What can I do to make things even better for me? This is a great question that a lot of people don't understand and want some understanding for it, so they know what to do to help themselves. But like I said, I'm going to go through these questions on another video. I just wanted to at least get you guys out here, let you know I'm going to continue posting videos. My goals, I did say 3 videos a week. That is actually pretty hard because I'm so busy trying to get other things done. I'm trying to create this program for you all as well for realtors. Please keep on being an eye out. I'm going to create a program for you all so that way you can be able to handle your own marketing if you need help with it. There's a platform I'm going to put you guys on a website, a Facebook group I'll put you guys in as well too. Yes, it's going to cost you like a monthly fee, but I'm going to keep that very low as possible. But like I said, for the work I'm going to put into it and help you guys out, this is something be worth having for you guys, and I think you'll actually enjoy it. So again, leave down in the comments down below some of the questions that you guys have about social media marketing and social media, how to create your business on social media, how to actually grow on social media. What can I do to keep my business growing? Okay. All right. Yeah. As I always say, it's not deuces, it's deuces.
Thank you very much.